The Jamaica Labour Party candidate in the East Portland by-election, Anne-Marie Vaz, did not attend today's signing of the Political Code of Conduct. In a letter penned to the political ombudsman, Donna Parchment-Brown, Mrs. Vaz said she was not prepared to share the same space with the PNP candidate, Damian Crawford, until he offers an apology to all women of Jamaica for statements he made on the political platform. Political Ombudsman Donna Parchment-Brown outlining the rules for the campaign period and on election day in East Portland.
And it is to be understood that defamation on social media is something that can bear penalties.
But only one candidate is present, the PNP's Damian Crawford. The ceremony, however, would continue. The small gathering also addressed by Portland Custos Lincoln Thaxter. Mr. Crawford would also give remarks. He expressed disappointment at his opponent's no-show at the signing.
I thought, and I still maintain, that I held historically and hopefully presently a very good relationship with the candidate, and hope that will continue after an election for which we both are seeking victory for our own party. It remains unfortunate after nomination day when I declared if the candidate felt disrespected, it is not in my right to say if they should or should not feel disrespected.
The PNP candidate further pledged to uphold the standards outlined in the Political Code of Conduct and urged party supporters to be respectful for the duration of the campaign. After the signing, in came JLP representative Sharon Hay-Webster. She provided an explanation for the absence of candidate Anne-Marie Vaz.
That there have been some very scurrilous remarks, very personal remarks that are damaging, not only on herself but her family, and it is her very strong feeling that the Office of the Political Ombudsman has not responded adequately. And that these comments that have been made, including the apology that has been requested in respect of the observations made by the PNP candidate about women, that there needed to be an apology in respect of that, and it has not been forthcoming. And the other remarks that have been made across social media, that there has been inadequate response.
A letter documenting these concerns was also sent to the political ombudsman.
This morning I received a WhatsApp message from the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party about a rather scurrilous, disgraceful, pointless post that was, I believe, on Twitter. I received from the General Secretary of the People's National Party a condemnation and disavowal of that post. I am in the process of having the platform have this and some other scurrilous posts removed, and I intend to identify, if at all possible, the source of these disgraceful posts.
Mrs. Parchment-Brown says she is hoping to meet with the General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party as well as the candidate to discuss the issues.